Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Journal entries are essential for recording transactions that don't fit into standard QuickBooks categories like adjusting entries or corrections, giving you complete control over your accounting books. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your web browser. Once you're in, look over to the left navigation panel and click the plus new button. This button is your gateway to creating all types of transactions in QuickBooks. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with various options organized by category. From this menu, scroll down to the Other section and select Journal Entry. This opens up the Journal Entry interface where you'll record your manual accounting transactions. The first thing you'll need to do is enter the date of the journal entry in the Journal Date field. This date should reflect when the transaction actually occurred, not necessarily when you're recording it, as accurate dating is crucial for proper financial reporting. Next, move to the Account field for the first line. Here you'll choose which account this entry affects. Click on the field and select the appropriate account from your chart of accounts. This could be anything from an expense account to a revenue account, depending on what you're recording. Now comes the critical part. Type the amount in either the debits or credits column, depending on the nature of your transaction. Remember, debits increase asset and expense accounts while credits increase liability, equity, and revenue accounts. This is fundamental accounting practice, and getting it right ensures your books stay balanced. You'll need to repeat this process for additional accounts involved in the transaction. Add another line, select the account, and enter the amount in the appropriate column. The golden rule here is that your total debits must equal your total credits. QuickBooks will actually prevent you from saving if they don't balance, which is a helpful safeguard. Before finalizing, add a description in the Journal Memo field. While this is optional, it's highly recommended because it helps you and others understand the purpose of the entry when reviewing it later. Clear documentation is essential for maintaining organized books and passing audits. Take a moment to review all the journal entry details for accuracy. Check that your accounts are correct, amounts are in the right columns, and everything balances properly. Once you're confident everything looks good, you have two options. Click Save and Close to record this journal entry and return to your main screen, or click Save and New if you have multiple journal entries to create in sequence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.